the Sky Tower. Merry Christmas, everyone. It's time for your VIP view of SeaWorld. As you take your ride up to a height of 300 feet, we thought it would be fun to share some SeaWorld holiday secrets that might make your day even more memorable. Oh, for your own safety, please stay in your seats for the entire ride. And no smoking, please. Pretty cool view, huh? Speaking of cool, be sure to visit Rudolph's Christmas Town, where you can meet Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, Clarice, Yukon Cornelius, and even the Bumble. It's a treasured holiday memory brought to life for you and your family to explore. Did you know that SeaWorld has rescued and rehabilitated more than 30,000 animals over the past 50 years? You can learn more by watching our television series, Sea Rescue. Be inspired by the exciting real-life animal rescue stories and gain a better understanding of the rich array of sea life with which we share our planet. Watch Sea Rescue this weekend on ABC. Well, we're just about 300 feet up now, and from here you can see for miles and miles. You'll have an amazing view of our Bayside Lake and SeaWorld's Sea of Trees. Over 100 Christmas trees with lights, dancing, and holiday music is a don't-miss-it SeaWorld experience. Be sure to check your park map for Sea of Trees showtimes. As you exit the Sky Tower today, you'll pass by Oyster Secret, where you can purchase a beautiful Akoya pearl, one of nature's most wonderful treasures. Just ask one of our oyster experts and they'll help you discover the oyster secret. Interaction is a big part of a SeaWorld day. After an awesome animal encounter, unwind at one of Orlando's least known fine dining experiences, Shark's Underwater Grill.